Hello, my name is Alicia and I talk about journaling and goal setting on my channel. And today is a very special day for me because I have filled up my journal and I have a new journal. Ooh. So today I am going to set up the new journal. So let's get started. So first, before I start with the new journal, I like to do kind of a postmortem of the existing journal and just see what I like and see what I would like to carry forward to the next journal and see what I dislike and can abandon for next time. So I will say that the thing that I like the most about this journal that I'm still on is that it's just so dense with writing, and I love that. I love that I've started writing more. As opposed to when I first started journaling, I think I was too afraid that I wouldn't continue and that, you know, I wouldn't be able to commit to writing a page. And it's not even a page that I write, but yeah, just commit to writing a large chunk of text every day. And so far, yeah, I've been doing this at least probably for almost 6 months now, and I really enjoy it. So yes, I want to continue writing every night before I go to bed. I will say that this journal, compared to my previous 3 journals, which I happen to have right here. So this is, if you can see the numbers, 4, 5, and 6. And then I have 7. And then my new one will be 8. I want to have 10 of these journals all together. I don't know why. And then maybe I'll switch to a different style of notebook. I don't know. But yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, if we go back to 4, like 4 is just crazy compared to 7. Look at this. We've got all sorts of posters. We've got drawings. We've got all sorts of like postcards and things, but that is because I was traveling more too, so it was a lot of like souvenirs and postcards and stuff. Look at, I got stickers. I want to keep writing. I want to start to incorporate a little more artwork and yeah, just go back to that. More artwork, more stickers, more collages, and start to express creativity a little bit more. I will say though that I feel more like the vibe is more serious in this journal. I like that. I feel like I'm just putting my head down and getting to work and working on my goals instead of just documenting what's happening. So I'm more goal oriented now and results oriented, which I feel is great. So I want to continue with that as well. So just all the things. So this is my new journal. So let me get into this. This is really cool to be able to show you guys this journal. There, let's get in there. All right, open this. There we go. Okay. Oh, it's so new and fresh and clean. I love it. Oh my gosh. So I got a Sharpie pen. I've got some Post-it notes, and let me get my just regular writing pen, and I am ready to go. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm not going to show you my address, but I will go ahead and put my name. This journal is claimed now. It is mine. Okay, so in the front cover, I want to put my goals for the coming, usually it takes about, I'll say between 4 and 6 months for me to fill up a journal the way I've been going. So I'm going to say just for, which, yeah, that would cover the rest of the year. I'm going to say my goals. I have 2 goals. I have one main goal and one kind of, side, well, I won't call it a side goal. I'll call it it's just goal number 2. There. That's all I got to say. All right. So goals. I'm going to put that for, I'll just put goals. Okay, number 1 is to be completely out of debt. Let's see. Be completely debt free by January 2024. Okay, and so for each goal, I would like to kind of talk about, maybe break down how I intend to do that, and what daily things I can do in order to accomplish that. I'm not sure if I want to. I think I'm going to put the systems, like I want to do, just kind of focus on daily systems that I can incorporate into my life to accomplish this. So, okay, I will, first off, I have 2 jobs. So I'm going to put, see, and for this, I wish I had colored markers, but I don't. Okay, I will put 100% of job number 2, let's just call it that, number 2 income. So this is my part-time job that I have on the weekends. So 100% of that income toward debt. And doop, 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 doop. I can't draw a star. Okay, there we go. I will put an additional $300 a month toward debt. I really should have put, I will make an additional $300 to put toward the debt, but that's what I'm going to stick with because I don't want to cross it out. So, and that is going to be an additional $10 per day, which obviously is about $70 a week. Okay, my second goal is actually, as you are watching this, so I want to make one, let's see, number 2. I will make one YouTube video. YouTube video per week for 1 year. I'm gonna start that today. So today is August 6th, 2023. So I'm gonna put August. Oops, I can't type right. August 6th, 2024. There we go. Okay, so the way I intend to do that, I want to like center this more. There we go. Okay, so the way I intend to do that, I will post one YouTube video, one video by space 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because I live in Dayton, Ohio. Eastern Standard Time every Sunday. So already I'm kind of messing up because it's going to be definitely past 12 today. So maybe I should make this August. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Sunday. Because right now it is already, I know it's 11, probably closer to 12 already. We won't worry about that. And I will have video idea ready by Friday. That way I can, give me time to make tweaks and give me time to kind of plan things out. Okay, I don't know why I'm working backwards here. It feels like I am working backwards, though. It's okay. I will research and brainstorm ideas on Wednesday. Oh God, there's one more and I'm gonna make it. Okay. Have camera, lights set up before bed on Saturday. There we are. Okay, so these are my goals. Okay, so these are my goals. I'm going to, actually, when I do my weekly habit tracker, I'm going to make sure that I read this page aloud every night before I go to bed, perhaps in the morning as well, just to kind of solidify everything in my mind and make sure that I am always kind of focused toward what I need to be doing to accomplish these goals. Well, that is going to be the first page. I think here I will leave this open to do something cute, maybe some stickers or something like that. I do want, just a splash of color. Yes, very important. All right, from here, this page is always weird. This first page when it kind of sticks up like that, so I'm going to fold that down. From here, I always like to have a place for post-it notes. That way, wherever I am, I could just boop boop, I have a post-it note. I don't know why. Yes, I do a lot of thinking and brainstorming with post-it notes, which is a horrible waste of paper, but it just works for me sometimes. I have different ways of getting ideas out. I either I don't usually brainstorm in the journal just because I don't want it all scribbled up and messed up. So I usually, actually, yesterday afternoon, I had a lovely brainstorming session on the plane on the way home from Los Angeles. And something about just being in that enclosed space, and I was in the window seat, so I couldn't really go anywhere, and it was fairly good length flight, going from Los Angeles to Atlanta. I believe that's maybe 4 hours, 3 hours, something like that. So yeah, I was just in my seat. I didn't get up to do anything, and I just had my notebook out, and I just I was also reading on my Kindle, so it was funny because I was reading on my Kindle, and then what I was reading would spark an idea or something, and then I'd write that down, and it just kept going like that. So everything was just flowing. It was amazing. So I always like to do brainstorming and idea, just thinking of ideas on a plane when I get a chance. But yes, when I have post-it notes, sometimes this helps me to, maybe reorder things or just think of things in a different way. So I like post-its, or, just to write myself a note. I write myself notes a lot too. I have ADHD and I forget things a lot, and I write post-it notes all over the house, all over my walls. So they are a very big part of my life, and I just like to keep them like this. I appreciate you watching me do this. I just like to keep them in here, like so that they are ready for me when I need them, and I can take them with me. It's flat. It lies flat in the journal. Oops. Let's put this one a little bit. There we go. Okay, so there we are. That one's a little, that's okay. So, Post-it notes. This page, I'm never sure what to put here. Will probably be a collage of some sort. We don't need to always, worry about that right now. I will think of something and then I will show it to you later. This page. Okay, in my last journal, for some reason, I wrote a list of courses I would like to take, and I think that is because I want to always continually keep educating myself, and so I made a list of courses I want to take. So I might copy this list over here. I might do that. So yeah, just to, that way I'm always thinking like, okay, is this something that I can take to get me closer to what I want? And yeah, I want to just constantly keep educating and improving myself, and just reading books and things like that. I might also put something about books here. So it's not important that you have everything planned out when you have a new journal, but at least just save the space, and in the future you can go back and put something there. So there's always that option. Okay, so I think I will start my weekly spread on this page. On the back, I'm going to put some quotes. So I want to maybe put just different inspirational quotes and things. I don't really have, see, this is how far away I've gotten from being artsy. Like, I don't even have any colored markers anymore. I do have, I have a hot pink, very ultra fine tip Sharpie marker that I can use. So here, I'll just write down a quote back here. So most people tiptoe through life hoping they make it safely to death. That quote has stuck with me for a few weeks now since I heard it, or since I read it, and it's true. I think that a lot of people are just playing it safe. I do the same, and I want to not do that as much. Nightingale. Earl Nightingale. Okay, so there's one quote. I hope to fill this whole thing with quotes. That is the very basic setup of my new journal. I'm going to, of course, add some color and add some stickers and add different things, but that shows you what I do when I first get a new journal. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope it helps you start your own journaling and get that set up. And if you do that, please let me know in the comments. Or if you are already a journaler and you have your own method, your own system, let me know that too. Maybe I steal some of your ideas. I don't know. But in any case, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next Sunday.